What's up, guys? In today's video we're going to be installing an air filter on a Jaguar XF, so let's get to it. Alright everyone, now the first step to installing your air filter on your Jaguar XF is going to be opening up the hood. So to do that, there's going to be a lever right here in the foot pedal area to the left. We're going to pull on that. And now to open up the hood, basically right in the center there's going to be a lever you're going to lift up, and that is going to open up your engine compartment. Alright guys, we are now at the air box, and as you can see there's going to be two tabs, one here and there will be one here. Now this one here has actually already been broken off. These things are under a good amount of pressure when you press on them. These things can tend to break over long periods of time. It's plastic obviously. Now this one isn't broken. I'm just going to be careful and try to push to see if it'll unclip. There we go, that one did unclip. Now this one is broken, so what I'm actually going to be doing, this is actually a tip out there for anyone who does have one of these clips that is broken. I'm going to be using just a flathead screwdriver and pushing on the tab right there where it clips in. Now just like so, we'll be able to pick that up. Now as you can see, this box is going to come up and we're going to pull forward and lift. Now I'm going to carefully just lift up and remove the old filter. And now we are going to be installing the new one. They just slide right in. Make sure it's seated properly. And now we can basically just put these clips. I'm going to press them and they'll clip back in just like so. It is just that simple to install the air filter on your Jaguar XF. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and it was able to help one of you guys out install an air filter on your vehicle. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, check out my Twitter account. I have a new Twitter, so you can follow me out. I'll be tweeting when I'm posting up my next videos. Also, I'm doing my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, so make sure to watch the video on the thank you 2,000 subscriber giveaway video, and it'll show you the information and what you need to do to enter that, because I'm going to be giving away some tools. Alright, have a good day, guys.